All right, perfect. That's perfect.
My name is P. Michael Boone, and I'm a barber from North Philly, and I run the Junior Barber Academy. I grew up in North Philadelphia, and it was tough. I watched crime, I watched people go to jail, I watched people become victims, and also watched people get murdered. And I could have definitely went down the wrong path, but barbering was something that I kind of gravitated towards. I was 12 years old when I started cutting hair, and it was really because my mom, she couldn't afford to get me a haircut. I remember going over a friend of mine's house, and his dad had some clippers, and so I just went and started cutting my own hair. After cutting hair for a few years and having my friends ask me for haircuts, their parents started paying me. And that was the turning point, because I did not know that I could make money doing this. It was just more so of a necessity. And I just eventually graduated from cutting hair at home to now I have to find a barbershop.
And work your way back, all right?
I didn't have anybody to teach me how to cut hair. And I always wish I would have had somebody to kind of help me hone in onto that craft. So I just thought that I would be the person that can teach someone how to cut hair. I threw it out on social media, and people started coming and started asking, and I've titled it the Junior Barber Academy. And all the money is going to go to the P. Michael Boone Foundation. How many hair people want to do what they want to do? I want to open up a center in North Philadelphia, free to all, and mainly for the at-risk youth in my community. I can run my workshops there, the entrepreneur workshops, the health and wellness workshops, the financial literacy workshops that we do.
Starting with right here and work your way down.
Meet Nisha. She was 7 years old when she came to the Junior Barber Academy. She was really, really eager and ready to learn the craft and learn the skill.
My goal is to cut LeBron James's hair in the future.
How you feel? Yeah, I feel all right. You feel good?
We also have another student, Khalil. He's actually using what he learned to now cut himself and cut the kids away when he's at school.
Helping people and giving haircuts, it's practice for me and get to help someone else look better.
Go a little bit down. There you go, right on that line.
My son, Halim Boone, he went through the program. He wants to now become a barber.
I wanted to follow my dad's footsteps and then eventually open multiple barbershops around the country.
A group of friends of mine called Barbers Who Care, we get together, we give out free haircuts for the community, just give out free haircuts for people that's in need. To see the smiles on their faces and to see their confidence go up.
I'm very grateful, and I will come back every time, anytime, any day.
It's just an awesome feeling, and I mean, like, I wouldn't want to be anything else but a barber.
It makes a huge difference in the quality of a day-to-day life, right?
Yes.
To give somebody a haircut and see them walk tall. Well, speak to that. How does it make you feel, what you do?
So it's just like food, like you said. I feel like when you feel good, you look good.
That's right.
And so barbering is one of those things that I feel like some people come into my shop, they only get a haircut for 6 months to 2 years.
Right.
And so like with the barbering, I get a chance to be that blessing to them. And it's like I always say, we're barbers, we're superheroes, but we take the capes off ourselves and put them on others.
I love that. I love that. Now talk about the foundation. The foundation fascinates me because it isn't just about apprenticeship or paying it forward or giving kids a skill that we used to get in public schools, by the way. This is a multi-layer program, yes?
Absolutely. We specialize in doing mentor workshops. We do health and wellness. I mean, I lost 100 pounds.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Your son looks real fit, too.
Thank you.
He looks so handsome and healthy.
Yes,
Yeah.
we teach entrepreneurship as well. We teach financial literacy. We teach mentoring. We do things in the community because I don't want the kids to go down that wrong path.
You know, we don't have to wait for our politicians, local or national politicians, to come and do it for us. This is proof positive you can do it yourselves. You can go out there and change your community. You can do it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, to that end, our friends at the Allstate Foundation want to help make sure that you can keep going and doing what you're doing. They're donating $10,000 to the P. Michael Boone Foundation.
Oh my God!
Right? Look at that big graphic. Turn your head around. Look at that.
Wow! Awesome!
Well done, sir. Well done. An inspiration. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.